Welcome to English Learning Podcast. This is a calm place, a friendly place, a place where you learn real English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. In today's episode, we are talking about weather. Weather is one of the most common topics in everyday English. People talk about the weather at work, at school, with neighbors, and with strangers. Weather is easy to talk about, and it helps you start conversations. In this episode, you will learn simple English sentences that people really use to talk about weather. You will learn how to describe the weather, how to talk about seasons, how to talk about today's weather, and how weather affects daily life. You can listen, you can repeat, you can speak along with me. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and let's begin. Part 1. What is weather? Weather describes what the air is like outside. Weather changes every day. Sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is cold, sometimes it rains, sometimes it is sunny. Weather affects how we feel and what we do. Now repeat after me. The weather changes every day. The weather affects my day. Good job. Part 2. Basic weather words. Let's learn some basic weather words. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, cold, hot, warm, cool. Repeat slowly. Sunny, rainy, windy. Very good. You can say, it is sunny today. It is rainy today. It is windy today. Repeat. It is sunny today. Excellent. Part 3. Talking about today's weather. One very common question is, how is the weather today? Let's practice answers. It is nice today. It is hot today. It is cold today. It is cloudy today. It is raining today. Repeat. It is nice today. Good. You can also say, the weather is good. The weather is bad. Repeat. The weather is good. Very natural. Part 4. Talking about temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold it is. Let's practice. It is very hot. It is very cold. It is warm today. It is cool today. Repeat. It is warm today. Good. You can also say, it feels hot. It feels cold. Repeat. It feels hot. Excellent. Part 5. Talking about sun and clouds. The sun and clouds are important in weather. You can say, the sun is shining. It is sunny outside. The sky is clear. Repeat. The sun is shining. Good. For clouds, it is cloudy. The sky is cloudy. There are many clouds. Repeat. It is cloudy. Very good. Part 6. Talking about rain. Rain is very common. Let's practice. It is raining. It is raining a lot. It is raining lightly. Repeat. It is raining. Good. You can also say, I need an umbrella. The ground is wet. Repeat. I need an umbrella. Excellent. Part 8. Talking about wind. Wind can be strong or light. You can say, it is windy. There is a strong wind. The wind is cold. Repeat. It is windy. Good. You can also say, the wind is strong today. Repeat. The wind is strong today. Very clear. Part 8. Talking about seasons. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Repeat slowly. Spring, summer, winter. Very good. You can say, I like summer. I like winter. Spring is beautiful. Winter is cold. Repeat. I like summer. Excellent. Part 9. Weather and daily life. Weather affects what we do every day. You can say, I stay inside when it rains. I go out when it is sunny. I wear a jacket when it is cold. I wear light clothes when it is hot. Repeat. I wear a jacket when it is cold. Good. You can also say, the weather affects my mood. Repeat. The weather affects my mood. Very natural. Part 10. Talking about weather feelings. Weather can change how we feel. You can say, I feel happy on sunny days. I feel tired on rainy days. Cold weather makes me sleepy. Warm weather makes me active. Repeat. I feel happy on sunny days. Excellent. Part 11. Weather small talk. Weather is perfect for small talk. You can say, nice weather today, isn't it? It's a beautiful day. It's cold today. Repeat. It's a beautiful day. Good. You can also say, the weather is changing. Repeat. The weather is changing. Excellent. Part 12. Talking about weather forecast. Forecast means prediction of weather. You can say, the weather forecast says rain. It will be sunny tomorrow. It will be cold tonight. Repeat. It will be sunny tomorrow. Good. You can also say, the weather will change. Repeat. The weather will change. Excellent. Part 13. Weather problems. Sometimes weather causes problems. You can say, the rain is heavy. The weather is bad today. The storm is strong. Repeat. The weather is bad today. Good. You can also say, I cannot go out today. Repeat. I cannot go out today. Very common sentence. Part 14. Weather in different places. You can talk about weather in other places. You can say, it is hot in summer here. It is cold in winter there. The weather is different there. Repeat. The weather is different there. Excellent. Part 15. Weather habits. People have habits based on weather. You can say, I check the weather every day. I plan my day based on weather. I watch the weather forecast. Repeat. I check the weather every day. Good. Part 16. Mini conversations. Let's practice short conversations. Listen. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Repeat. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Good. Another one. Is it cold outside? Yes, it is very cold. Repeat. Yes, it is very cold. Excellent. Part 18. Daily practice sentences. Now repeat everything together. The weather is changing. It is sunny today. I feel good. I dress for the weather. I talk about the weather confidently. Say it again. I talk about the weather confidently.
Great job! Part 18, Confidence Boost. Remember this. Talking about weather is easy. You do not need perfect English. Simple sentences are enough. Weather is a friendly topic. People will understand you. You are doing great. Outro. You did an excellent job today. You practiced real English for real life. Weather English helps you start conversations everywhere. Listen again. Repeat again. Practice every day. This is how confidence grows. Thank you for learning with me. This is English Learning Podcast. I will see you in the next episode.